I interrupted your computer session for Orion the Cat Hera. New Year's 2025 special. I was burned by a firework. You need to wait. There won't be a timer, but you will get 35 chances. Do not turn off your computer. Wait. I just saw you turn off your computer. But you still have 34 chances left. Do not turn it off or I will change my voice.
Look. This is the second time you turned off your computer. Also, my voice has been changed to Guy. You now have 33 more chances left. Seriously? Third time already? Come on. Also, the background is now light blue. You gotta be kidding me. 32 more chances left. How dare you block me? That costs a chance. That's your first action done. You now have 31 chances left. Okay. Now I am mad at you because you turned off your computer 5 times. You now have 30 chances left before your computer dies. Watch out. You got 29 more chances left. What's your deal? You keep making me mad. If you keep this up, then you will be done for.
That is correct. The background is now green and now you got 28 chances. Also, my voice has been changed to Kleru. Also, the fonts are now monoround. Oh come on. You have wasted 8 out of 35 chances of this error. Now you got 27 chances left. If you turn off this computer 2 more times, then I will be in my furious mode. Listen here. If you turn off your computer 1 more time, then I will be in my furious mode. Not to mention that the background will be changed to chartreuse.
Surprise, surprise! Do you see what you have done? Yep. I'm now in furious mode. The background is now lime green, the fonts are now VDS, and my voice is now Steven. So now, you got 25 more chances. Hey! Why did you put a bar of soap in my mouth for no reason? Because of that, I changed the background to yellow. You now got 24 chances.
Stop the freaking startup!
No more startup sounds for the rest of the error. Look at me. I'm now in my enraged mode and the background is now gold. And guess what? You have 3 good chances until evil mode. You don't want evil mode to happen. Don't you dare try to turn off this computer 2 more times. Also, you have 2 good chances until evil mode. I cannot forget that the background is now orange.
That's it! I've had enough of you turning off your computer so many freaking times! As well as you have come to the final warning! This is your last chance, or else you will see what happens next!
Ha 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 ha. I scared you to death with my evil mode. The background is now red, the fonts are now Firth, and my voice has been changed back to Brian. You now got 20 chances. You seriously don't know what is going on. Now you got 19 more chances left. Please don't do anything bad. Hey. How dare you restart your computer, ChatGPT? That's your point, eh? Now that's your third action done in this era. You now got 18 chances remaining. You are now past the halfway mark of this era. If you dare to turn this off 2 more times, then I will be in my scary mode. Are you trying to put your computer on standby? Well, that's not going to work. If you turn off this computer one more time, then I will be in my scary mode. And trust me, you will not like it.
Honda, I scared you hardcore. I am now in my scary mode. The background is now black and the fonts are Shrieks NFI. Now you only got 15 more chances left. Bro, did you really not learn your lesson like the last time? Breaking the computer screen can also result as another turn-off facility. Now with that out of the way, you got 14 more chances left. IWOULDNT recommend that you get to the end. Keep this turn-off business up, and you will be toast. I'll give you a surprise if you waste your 13 chances. You got to admit that you have 12 more chances left to waste, or else you will not like it, okay? Okay. That is it. If you turn off your computer one more time, then I will leave and my friend will take over.
My name is Lighary. My name is spelt Lighary. I am here for the next 5 chances, because Ryan the cat took a break from dealing with you 25 times in a row. Now the fonts are now Nova round, and you also got 10 chances in the chance grate. Seriously, you have wasted 26 out of 35 chances of Ryan the cat's error. Now you only have 9 more chances before you get to your ultimate fate. I am in my irritated mode. If you keep this up, then you will be grounded until 2026. You have 0.77142857142% left of this error, which means you have 8 more chances. Hey, don't insult me like that. That's super disrespectful. Now you got 7 more chances left. Because of you insulting me, you lost another chance. One more time and I will be your nightmare, and trust me, you won't like it.
That's correct. I'm now in my X mode. You have 6 more chances left. Turn it off. I dare you, and Ryan will get your soul. I have detected that you want to turn off your computer. Well, goodbye. It's dreadful to be you. Prepare for Ryan the cat to come back. Hello. Do you want to play with me?
Guess what? I am back, but you didn't listen to Luiri and me 30 times. Anyways, I'm back in my .exe mode. You only have 5 more chances left.
Which is the comic book insider? What the heck did you just say to me? You better speak up immediately.
Excuse me? Did you call me an idiotic cat? That's so disrespectful, that I was super close from taking away 2 chances, meaning that you are lucky that you lost 1 chance. Speaking of chances, they are now at 4. Oh, would you at that? 3 chances. If I were you, I would not get any further than this. Only 3 remaining chances. Come on, you know better than that. Hacking the error is not allowed. And you changed the chances to 500. Only 2 more chances left.
Okay, this is your last chance. Because if you turn it off one more time, then you will have to enter the code. Alright, I've had enough of you turning off your computer. You didn't listen to me. And yes, the timer is now down to 15 seconds. You've wasted all your chances and now you have to enter the code. I'll give you another chance. But you have to enter the code within that time. I swear to God, please, stop turning it off.
Did you really think the correct code would be that obvious? Did you really think you would get away from me that easily? Hell no. Ha ha ha. You had entered the wrong code. But before I punish you, I will show you the correct code. The correct code was 139, 729, 807, 56, 84, and 548. If you had entered that code, then you would have been safe and you could have continued your Windows XP session without worrying about me coming back. But I'm afraid that's That's not gonna happen anymore.
And now, it's time to punish you. You did not listen to me about turning off your computer 36 times. And also, you are banned from this computer until 2026, which means that you will not get this computer until 2025 has passed.